Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about why investing into new crypto coins is worth it. Let's head into it. Profiting from your investment. Keep an eye on how the price of cryptocurrencies has risen over the last few years. Bitcoin and Ethereum are quite profitable even after changes. It's straightforward. Even a student can invest in coins and make a good profit after a year. A comparable system exists in the securities market. However, it's a little slower. Take a look at the stock performance of Netflix and Amazon over the last 10 years. You should expect to notice an increase in your bottom line. Securities have a lot of liquidity. Read paper writing service reviews and assign your responsibilities to others. After that, you'll have plenty of time to research the Bitcoin industry. Let's have a look at cryptocurrency. Bitcoin and other digital money were regarded as legal money in 2010. However, it's currently a highly profitable market, and you may make a significant profit by converting Bitcoin into dollars or euros. Every year, several coins increase by more than 100%. This is partly due to the excitement surrounding cryptocurrencies, and the fact that well-known corporations have invested in it. If you're patient and wait at least a year, your savings will rise significantly. Securities are a bit more traditional alternative, with an average yearly return of 18 to 30%. It's still a better investment than bank deposits.
We could see ubiquitous adoption where merchants anywhere in the world can just flip the switch and add this as a payment method.
Independence and flexibility. You have complete control over your digital money and can purchase, sell, or convert it at any moment. You also won't have to be concerned about bank fees. A cryptocurrency is a self-contained investment and transaction tool, and no country in the world has been able to totally regulate all financial movements to date. As a result, you'll be fully free of extraneous influences and constraints. You may convert even securities with minimum commissions if you use a good exchange. Another reason to love digital currency is their diversification. There are at least 100 cryptocurrencies available today, each of which has a potential to be profitable. Choose 5 to 10 of the most popular digital coins and diversify your holdings across many crypto wallets. If the value of one or more cryptocurrencies falls, you can profit and lower your risks. The same idea applies to securities. Invest in Amazon, Google, or Facebook to diversify your portfolio. If you're a student with limited time, you'll require academic aid. Find out the companies you shouldn't trust by reading the best essays review. Then you will not spend time and will be able to rely on competent assistance. There are currently around 2,000 cryptocurrencies available. Someone decides to produce digital currencies almost every day. You should never invest haphazardly. Pay close attention to the most promising projects or read analyst opinions. The similar strategy can be applied to selecting writing services. You should study a 5-star essays review. For example, never squander your time with unreliable writing services again. Pay attention to the first 100 to 200 coins and several crypto exchanges rankings. It will be much simpler for you to put together your investing portfolio after that. Securities are treated in the same way. You have at least a few hundred alternatives that could be successful in the next 5 to 10 years. As a result, the quantity of options available doesn't limit your selections. The future cryptocurrencies. Many people believe cryptocurrency and securities are fraudulent. The issue with digital currency is a little more complicated. There are a few significant cryptocurrencies that have a well-defined process for mining new blocks and working. The hazards are high if you choose an unknown digital currency. Many critics, on the other hand, believe that Bitcoin is just a fad. The fact is that the fundamental argument of the detractors is that the digital money is not backed by products or services. Of course, you should be aware that digital money is a highly speculative tool. Nobody will buy pizza or video games with Bitcoin or Ethereum. The value of digital money, on the other hand, is determined by people's trust and quantity of transactions. Many businesses exchange fiat money like dollars for digital currency. As a result, you shouldn't be concerned about anything for the next 3 to 5 years. Some people profit from hype initiatives, and you can profit from them as well. Many businesses, including Wall Street, have begun to see cryptocurrencies as a legitimate payment option. Tesla has made a multi-billion-dollar investment in Bitcoin. There are now at least 50 significant enterprises that use digital currency. They have an impact on the appreciation of coin rates. As a result, you should consider how to invest in attractive cryptocurrency as soon as possible. Some people prefer to join the mining industry, but this is not always a good idea.
Bitcoin mining is a very capital-intensive industry, and companies have invested heavily in mining equipment.
You should keep an eye on financial estimates and the introduction of new digital coin projects. Then you can figure out when is a good moment to acquire cryptocurrencies. Securities and digital currencies are an integral component of modern civilization and serve as the foundation for a variety of economic operations. Even if Bitcoin and Ethereum become less popular, the worldwide community will find a new way to invest. If humankind doesn't create another form of money generation out of thin air, digital coins will be useful for many more decades. You can either ignore the hype or join the ranks of individuals who took advantage of the low prices and purchased digital currencies for resale. Please keep an eye on significant investors and their market activities. This will serve as a useful action indicator for you.
I think that we're at that moment where mass adoption of cryptocurrency is about to start happening.
What do you think about new crypto coins? Do you think investing in them is worth it? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it, hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.